Ayan, supportahan niyo po yung movie po namin ni Mr. Joras Gamboa. Starring po si Mr. Mark Hill at ang Mocha Girls po, entitled Sumpa.
Directed by Direk Bong Agustin. Abangan niyo po yun. And gusto ko rin palang imbitahan kayo para sa Manila Film Fest entry na ipapalabas po namin ngayon, one night only po. Abangan po niya. Directed by Joey Reyes din po.
Sumpa po, first week of December.
First week of...
po yan.
Okay. Thank you so much sa Kids at Work. Maraming salamat.
And happy birthday to Yesha Simbulan.
School bukol.
Adong lahat sa isang sexy at kakaibang gabi sa Revealed What Men Want, a lingerie and underwear show, November 20, 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. Shows at Cinema 5 of Robinson's Galleria. For tickets, call 891-9999.
Alright, we'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, everybody.
Jose's Chicken Inasal.